All right, language explorers. So let's look at envelop and envelope. Envelop and envelope. So envelop, to wrap around something. To wrap around something. They are going to envelop us eventually. The team will slowly envelop the other. The police need to envelop the house. How can we envelop the car? Envelop, to wrap around something. The city is going to be enveloped if we don't act now. Yeah, the army was enveloped overnight. Yeah, overnight. Yeah, how cool is that? He is enveloped in his arms. Yeah, so envelope, a paper wrapping you put letters in. So here we are, envelope. Yeah, we need an envelope for my letter. An envelope. There we are. This envelope is thin and cheap. Some envelopes are big, brown and strong, durable. We say durable, yeah. We can use those kinds of envelopes for parcels. Yeah, boxes. These envelopes are made with paper. I don't have any envelopes. I don't have any envelopes, yeah, anymore. I used them all. When are you going to buy more envelopes? When are you going to buy more envelopes? I need more envelopes to send these letters. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so envelop, and envelope. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use envelop and envelope in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.